am Amna Al-Haddad. I am a former Olympic weightlifter, an inspirational speaker, a mental health advocate, and I am a proud Emirati woman. What makes me so proud to be an Emirati woman and to be a citizen of this country is that I am part of one of the most progressive countries in the world, a country that gives back to its people, a country that gives you a lot of opportunities to pursue your goals and dreams without restrictions. That is one thing that I love about my country and the UAE. What I really hope that we can develop and foster in the UAE for Emirati women is create a career path in sports. That is something that we're still lacking behind. We still don't have enough women who want to pursue the Olympics because it's not a career path that they know that they can pursue.
I'm Zainab Al-Hashmi and I'm a conceptual artist and I'm a proud Emirati woman. What makes me proud as an Emirati woman is I never tried to ask for my rights, they were always given. For over 5 generations of Emirati women, we only kept evolving and moving forward. I do hope that we do cherish the rights we've been given in this country and help other women achieve their rights in other countries.
I'm Sara Al-Tamimi. I'm a fashion designer of a sustainable brand and I'm a proud Emirati woman. I believe that worldwide women push boundaries for one another, and I believe that it's even stronger over here. It's like a domino effect, and we all break boundaries and help the next generation or help the next woman behind.
Always follow your dreams. Do something you love, then you love what you do.
I wanted to make a difference.
I've seen an interview on TV of Aisha Al-Hamdi. She's the first female Emirati pilot, so I got inspiration from her.
It was an unforgettable journey. It took a lot of hard work, compromises, but it was also fun at the same time and totally worth it.
It's an amazing feeling, you know? You feel the excitement once you say take off and you roll.
Actually, flying for Emirates is like a dream come true. I feel extremely proud to fly one of the biggest airlines in the world.
It's one of the most prestigious airlines in the world. We fly to 6 continents and a lot of amazing and exciting destinations.
As an Emirati pilot, I'm proud to fly our flag all over the world.
I find it a very positive thing for other young girls to look at us as a role model.
Flying for Emirates is something I'd be proud of for the rest of my life.
Being an Emirati woman means a bits and pieces of everything, from the past and the present and the future, from being covered to being pretty to being intelligent and being inspired and being powerful. All this is combined to give you an Emirati woman.
Happy Emirati Women's Day from all of us at Emirates.
Going to apply to be a pilot, it was funny because I was looking through the application and I did not find an option of being a female fighter pilot. So I was asking the people in charge, how can I apply for being a female fighter pilot? There is no option in the form. They were shocked and they told me, we don't have a female fighter pilot. Once I heard that the doors is open for ladies, I jumped into that opportunity because it was my dream since high school. Alhamdulillah, I was accepted to be among the first batch. I intended to do something unique. I intended to do something new. I intended to do something that will make my family proud of me, my country proud of me, and I would make something that will bring a good reputation for the Arab world and for women in the world itself. The inspiration came through seeing the development of UAE and Sheikh Zayed's support for women in military. I saw how he started the Khawla bint al-Azwar military school for ladies. Then I saw the photos of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid and Mohammed bin Zayed wearing their flight suits inside the fighter jets. That started to trigger that dream into my mind so that I pursue that profession. I encourage all the youth to get over all the challenges, develop your self-awareness, and develop a positive way of talking to yourself. Nothing will stop you. The limitation is only in your mind. If you remove that limitation, you will cross all boundaries. As long as you are serving your country and making everybody is proud, all doors are open for you.
So what does a modern Emirati woman of today look like? Does she look like a car mechanic fixing up the royalties' car? Or does she look like an astronaut shooting off for the stars? Or does she look like an unwavering pilot here to show up for the safety and protection of her nation? Today we have with us two Emirati female pilots, Dana Al-Mazmi and Mahra bin Hamad, who began their air missions with Dubai Police Air Wing ahead of Emirati Women's Day on August 28th. We are here to find out all about their journey and what made their dreams come true.
As long as I remember, I've always wanted to pursue and join the aviation industry as it contributes to my passion and interest.
It was not always my childhood dream. I figured out I want to become a pilot once in high school. I studied aviation, and this was a turning point in my life that made me realize that my place is in the aviation field.
In 2019, the Dubai Police has announced for the first time requesting female pilots to join the police air wing. And I considered it a golden opportunity to join a distinguished government. And I've always wanted to be a part of Dubai Police achievements and history. We have received the highest level of training associated with the high standard of safety and quality. And it has improved my knowledge and skills. It made me work more efficiently and effectively. Overall, it's an honor to serve the country despite all the risks.
I consider fear as a powerful factor in my life. Fearing to be in a male-dominant environment made me realize that this is what I want to do. The most gratifying part of my job is being able to fly in Dubai between the skyscrapers and giving back to my country and my leaders and giving them a reason to trust and believe in young women.
The message to all the young girls is to take every opportunity available with no hesitation, and the best investment you can make is in yourself.
Believe in yourself even when no one believes in you. Push yourself to your boundaries, and this what will make you shine in any field possible.